Hello and welcome for a very quick tour of my deluxe room at Jumeirah Emirates Tower Hotel in Dubai, in the business district of the city. So here we go. The room is 44 square meters. This is the standard bathroom, marble countertops, tub over there. You know what that is. Here's the shower. And the toiletries are by this brand, Amouage. I guess that's how you say it, I'm not quite sure. Lots of storage. I'm only here for one night, more than enough for me. There is a tube there with slippers in it, robe, ironing board, always handy. The controls are electronic for aircon, lights and so on. And here is your safe, which seems to be deep enough for most laptops and pretty high as well. So as with all of the video tours I share of hotel rooms around the world, I can book this property with preferential rates, extra benefits, upgrades, perks you won't find online, just FYI. So there is your office space. TV has got Netflix, Google Chrome. Here is the Chromecast, I should say. Here's the minibar. Another look at the bed again. Then you additionally have this very, very long settee, and also, well, firstly, let's take a look at the view generally, and then I'm going to show you something quite cool. So, of course, they're building loads in Dubai all the time. Who knows what they've got planned there. We're quite close to the airport too, which is really handy. And then here, to the left, you can just get a glimpse of the Museum of the Future, which structurally is an incredible building, one of the most amazing in the city. It's not very good inside in terms of exhibitions, but you have the most incredible view of it when you enter the hotel as well. And when you enter the elevator, the glass-walled elevator up to your rooms, that also gives you an amazing aerial shot. So there you have it. That's a deluxe room at Jumeirah Emirates Towers Hotel in Dubai.